je m'appelle Sniti, je suis un professeur de français, and today we are going to start with the Q&A part 2 of lesson number 10, that is Le Drapeau de mon pays. It means the flag of my country, and this is the last lesson of Apprenons le français part 1. In the Q&A part 2, we are going to start with the 5th question and end it till the last question, that is the 8th one. So let us start reading it with the first part, that is écrivez selon l'exemple. It means write using the given example. So here we have the example and let us see. Le cahier est vert. La gomme est verte. What is the difference in this? The notebook is green and the eraser is green. Both mean the same. Just the substance are different, the objects are different. But the thing that we were not able to see until now was that the difference in the masculine and feminine version of the name of the color. So the first one is in masculine and the second one is in feminine. And why is that so? If we see to the article défini here, which is le in the first one and la in the second one, la is for feminine and le is for masculine. So here if we'll see all the first part till this place in the third, fourth and fifth, these all are for masculine, and after them it is for feminine. Here we have it is for feminine. So therefore we'll write the feminine color as per written in the front. So now let us start with the second one, that is le stylo est rouge. La chaise est rouge. It means the pen is of red color. And then we have le chair is for red color. But the difference here is that here we have le masculine and la for feminine. And you might be saying that why doesn't the spelling do not change? The reason for that is there is already an E in the masculine color, so there won't be any difference. Then we have the third part, that is le drapeau est blanc, la voiture est blanche. So here we have the flag is white and the car is white. Do remember that the masculine version of white will be BLANC. But if we go to the feminine, not only E will be added but H will be. That would be BLANCHE. That is blanche. Then we have the fourth part, that is le crayon est brun. It means the pencil is of brown color. That is la règle est brune. The scale is brown. And here we have E added to it, and in the masculine version no E was added. Do remember that if we see to the brown, it is either called brune or marron. Brune and marron means brown, and with that marron can also means maroon, but usually we take brune for brown. Then we have the fifth part, that is le chapeau est gris, la table est grise. So here we have the hat is of grey color and the table is grey. So here we have GRIS, no E is added to it, and E is added to the second one. So that is grise. Now let us read the name of the colors. Vert, vert, rouge, rouge, blanc, blanche, brune, brune, gris, grise. So here we have successfully completed with the question number 5, and now let us go on to the question number 6. So here we are at the 6th question and let us read it out. Écrivez ces phrases au pluriel. It means write the phrases in plural form. So here we have the phrases given to us or sentences given to us in the black, and we need to write them in the plural form, and I have done that using the blue pen. So there are in total 10 parts in this question, and I'll explain you fully the first part, and then we will do the same from the second part till the 10th part. So let us read the first part, that is le crayon est noir. It means the pencil is black. So how do we convert this sentence into plural? Firstly, we'll see its article défini, which is le, and we'll transform it to its plural form, that is les. Either it would be le, la or l apostrophe, we'll transform into les. Then we'll see to the object or the thing that there is, and we are going to convert them into plural. For example, crayon is there, which is pencil, so we'll add an S and make it plural. And if there would be drapeau, any word that is ending in U, we'll add X to it. Then we have the verb that is a, we'll transform it into song, and at last we are going to focus on the name of the color and then add an S so that it would become plural. And if there would be, instead of this verb, yun, article indefinite posted, or or days, we are going to transform it into days, which means some, and that would be transformed into some. So the plural form of the sentence, le crayon est noir, les crayons sont noirs. It means the pencils are black. Now let us go on to the second one and check it out. C'est une robe rouge. This is a red dress. That would be transformed into ce sont. Here we have transformed the verb. Des, some, red, rouge, and dresses. These are some red dresses. Then we have the third part, that is la maison est blanche. It means the house is white. That would be transformed into the houses are white. That is les maisons sont blanches. Then we have the fourth part, that is le drapeau est vert. It means the flag is green. Here we do not have an S, and if we are going to change it into plural, we'll add an S to the spelling of vert, that is les drapeaux sont verts. And here you see it is ending in U, drapeau is ending in U, we'll add an X to it. Then we have the fifth part, that is say a chapeau marron. This is a maroon hat, that is this is a maroon hat. So that would be transformed into ce sont des chapeaux marrons. These are some maroon hats. Then we have the sixth part, that is le bateau est gris. The boat is grey. So that would be transformed into les bateaux sont gris. It means the boats are grey of color. Then we have the seventh part, that is la cravate est gris. It means the tie is gris, the necktie that we use. So that would be transformed into les cravates sont grises. So here it is gris and no S is added to it, and in the plural form S is added to it. It means the neckties are grey. Then we have the eighth part, that is c'est un oiseau jaune. It means this is a yellow bird. Then we have transformed it into ce sont des oiseaux jaunes. It means these are some yellow birds. So here oiseau ends in U, that would be X would be added to it, and ce sont, it would be say in the singular form. Then we have the ninth part, that is l'horloge est rose. It means the watch is pink. So that would be transformed into L apostrophe will transform into les, and horloge will be added and S. In the spelling of horloge, an S will be added. In the spelling of rose to an S will be added, and A will transform into song. Les horloges sont rouges. The watches are pink. Then we have the 10th sentence, that is la fleur est orange. It means the flower is orange. So that would be transformed into les fleurs sont orange. The flowers are orange. So here we have successfully completed with the question number 6, and now let us go on to the question number 7. Now here we are at the question number 7, and let us read it out. Here we have répondre aux questions. It means response to the questions. So there are 4 parts in this questions, and they are separately asking different things, such as the quelle couleur est le livre de français? What is the color of the French book? So the answer for this is, if you will see the Apprenant le Français part 1, the new revised version, that is white in color. So la couleur de le livre de français est blanc. The color of the French book is white. Then we have the second question, that is de quelle couleur est le drapeau français? It means what is the color of the French flag? So as you all know that it is blue, white and red. So we'll write the answer as les couleurs dans le drapeau français sont bleu, blanc et rouge. The color in the French flag are bleu, which means blue, blanc means white, and rouge means red. So in this question, do remember that whenever someone asks the color of a flag, then you need to write it as les couleurs dans le drapeau. Whichsoever the country they are asking, if there is French, then Francais. If it's India, so it would be land. So likewise. Then we have the third question, that is de quelle couleur est le drapeau de votre pays? What is the color of the flag of your country? So as you know that I live in India, so the color of the flag of my country is orange, white and green, but there is a little bit blue in the middle, that is called as the Ashok Chakra. That is les couleurs dans le drapeau de mon pays sont orange, blanc avec bleu et vert. It means the color of the flag of my country is orange, white with some blue and green. You can write it according to the country you are watching this video from. If it would be Pakistan, then you would write vert. So likewise. Then we have the fourth question, that is de quelle couleur est le drapeau canadien? It means what is the color of the Canadian flag? So the answer for this is les couleurs dans le drapeau canadien sont blanc et rouge. It means the color of the Canadian flag is white and red. So here we have successfully completed with the question number 7, and now let us go on to the question number 8. So here we are at the question number 8, and let us start reading it. Retrouver les autocollants et compléter en utilisant des autocollants. It means unjumble the name of the colors and complete using the stickers. So here are some unjumbled letters, jumbled letters, and we need to unjumble them so that the name of the color would be obtained, and then we need to paste the stickers in which the butterflies are made of the respective color. For example, the first one here we have is maroon, so we'll paste a sticker of a butterfly that is of the maroon color. It is either maroon or brown. Maro means brown or maroon. Well, basically if we say of brown, then we can also use brune. So here are in total 8 parts, and let us start with the first one, that is R-O-M-A-R-N, that is marron, which means brown or maroon. Then we have the second part, that is U-E-L-B, which we obtain as bleu, which means blue. Then we have the third part, that is N-C-L-B-A, which is blanc, which has the spelling of blanc, as we will first put B, then L, then A, and then E, and at last we'll put the C. Blanc means white. And then we have the fourth part, that is E-O-R-S, that is rose. Rose means pink. The fifth part here we have is noir. Noir means black, and the spelling of the jumbled letter is I-R-O-N. Then we have the sixth part, that is E-G-O-R-U, that is rouge. And what do we mean by rouge? As you all know, it means red color. So now let us go on to the seventh part, that is R-T-E-V, which is vert. Then we have the eighth part, that is E-J-U-A-N, that is jaune. So let us once again read them: marron, maroon or brown, bleu, blue, blanc, white, rose, pink, noir, black, rouge, red, vert, green, jaune is yellow. So here we have completed the question number 8 and the Q&A part 2 of lesson number 10, that is le drapeau de mon pays, which means the flag of my country. Right at this moment, from now onwards, we have completed with the Apprenons le Français part 1, which is published by the Saraswati House. This was the class 6 textbook for learning French, which consisted of in total 11 chapters, and I am so happy to say that you all have successfully been able to learn a lot of French with me, and we'll meet in the next video with starting with some other interesting topics. So I hope that you like the video. If there is any doubt related to any chapter of this book, then you can do write in the comment section and I'll answer them. I hope that you like the video. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye and see you guys.